we started in Alaska, and we were going down these canyons in a boat, and the captain saying, now, let's go over there and look at the sea lions. And I say, let's stay right where we are, where we've got a satellite channel, because I was trying to talk on the phone all the time. Charlie was in Hawaii, and we never did get a chance to talk during that whole period. I didn't want to bother him with a little thing like a bid for 100 billion plus of securities, and I couldn't find him. So we were in an awkward place to pursue that. I think it's possible that if I'd been in New York, or Charlie had been in New York during that period, that our bid might have been accepted. There was just a report published within the last 3 or 4 days by a special committee representing the SEC, the Fed, I think the Treasury, and the CFTC. I think I'm right on those 4. And it describes just a tiny bit of the events leading to the bid. It referred on page 14, I remember it talked about our transaction unraveling. It didn't unravel from our side. I mean, we made a firm bid for 100 billion plus of balance sheet assets and many hundreds of billions, in fact, over $1 trillion of derivative contracts. And this was in a market where prices were moving around very dramatically, and with that bulk of assets there, we thought we made a fairly good bid for a 45-minute or hour period. I don't think anybody else would have made the bid. But in any event, the people at LTCM took the position that they could not accept that bid, and therefore the New York Fed had a group of largely investment banks there at the Fed, and that afternoon, faced with the prospect that LTCM could not or would not accept our bid, they arranged another takeover arrangement where additional money was put in.